वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरूम कॉमर्स अकेडमी। आज से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कंप्यूटर का टॉपिक जो कि एग्जाम में 5 मार्क्स का आना है। बेसिकली जूनियर ऑडिटर, सीनियर असिस्टेंट अकाउंट्स एंड इंस्पेक्टर ऑडिट के एग्जाम की बात कर रही हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज टॉपिक, बेसिक्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर के एमसीक्यूज विद आंसर्स एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन। So first question is, which memory is directly accessible to the CPU for processing? ROM, RAM, hard disk, pen drive. So here the correct answer is RAM, random access memory, which is volatile in nature and directly accessed by the CPU during operations. Next question is, which of the following is not an input device? OCR, mouse, scanner, plotter. So इनमें से कौन सी है जो input device नहीं है ये बताना। OCR that is optical character reader, mouse, then scanner, ये तीनों जो हैं ये है input devices. Plotter is basically used to made is an output device used for printing vector graphics. Basically जो hoardings लगे होते हैं roads पर, that is made by the help of plotter. So here the correct answer is plotter. Question next is, which device stores the BIOS in a computer? BIOS की full form होती है basic input and output system. RAM, ROM, SSD, hard drive. So कौन सी डिवाइस है जो BIOS को स्टोर करती है? That is read only memory, ROM. BIOS is stored in ROM, which retain data even the computer is powered off. So here B is the correct answer. Next question is, which type of software convert high-level language to machine code? Assembler, compiler, interpreter, linker. So here the correct answer is, इनमें से कौन सा है जो कंप्यूटर की हाई लैंग्वेज को कन्वर्ट करता है मशीन कोड में? दैट इज कंपाइलर. A compiler translates the entire high-level code into machine code at once. B is the correct answer. Next is, in binary, what is the result of 1010 and 1100? So here, AND gates give 1 only when both bits are 1. So here the correct answer is 1000. Next question is, which of these is a volatile memory? Hard disk, SSD, RAM, EEPROM. That is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So here the answer is RAM. Random access memory loses its content when power is turned off. So that is why volatile in nature. Next question is, which component perform all arithmetic and logical operations? Arithmetic and logical operations. So CU, that is control unit, ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, registers and cache. So here the correct answer is, कौन सा ऐसा component है जो arithmetic और logic operations को perform करवाने में help करता है? That is ALU. इसकी full form होती है arithmetic logic unit, handles arithmetic and logical functions. Next question is, what is the function of the control unit in a CPU? Perform calculations, store data, manage input-output, direct CPU operations. So here, control processing unit, CPU क्या करता है? वो direct CPU operations को control करता है. So here, the control unit direct the execution of instructions. D is the correct answer. Next question is, which addressing mode uses a constant value as hopper and direct, immediate, indirect, indexed? So here the correct answer is immediate. Immediate mode uses the operand value directly in the instructions. So immediate use किया जाता है. Next question is, which storage is used as virtual memory? RAM, ROM, hard disk, flash. कौन सी storage memory है जो virtual memory को use की जाती है? That is hard disk. Virtual memory is created using disk space with RAM is insufficient. So here the answer is hard disk. Which type of multitasking does Windows OS use? Windows का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इनमें से कौन सा मल्टीटास्किंग है जो यूज करता है? कौन सी टाइप है मल्टीटास्किंग की? कोऑपरेटिव, preemptive, batch, sequential. So here the correct answer is preemptive. Preemptive multitasking allows the operating system to control task execution time. So here B is the correct answer. Next question is, the OSI layer responsible for routing is network, data link, transport, physical. So OSI layer की responsible है routing के लिए. Correct answer is network. The network layer handles path determination and logical addressing. Next question is, a modem is used to compress data, encrypt data, convert digital to analog, store files. So modem use होता है convert digital to analog. Modem modulates and demodulates signals for internet access. डेटा को डिजिटल 1010 से एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए बेसिकली यूज होता है. What is the main protocol used for the internet? FTP, TCP/IP, SMTP, HTTP. So basically इनकी फुल फॉर्म है फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल और इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल, सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, hypertext transfer protocol. So basically the correct answer for using the internet is TCP. TCP/IP is the foundational protocol suites for internet communication. So next question is, which logic gate outputs one only if input differs? And, or, XOR, NOR. So here the correct answer is XOR. XOR gives true when inputs are opposite. C is the correct answer. Next question is, what is the maximum length of a file name in Windows NTFS? 255 characters, 128 characters, 64 characters, 512 characters. So NTFS allows file names up to 255 characters. So is the correct answer. Next question is, which memory is used to store bootloader instructions? RAM, ROM, cache, or register? So here the correct answer is B, ROM. Boot instructions are stored in non-volatile ROM. Next question is, what is a sky value of Z? So here 89, 90, 91, 65. So the correct answer is 90. The sky for capital Z is 90. Next question is, which component is the fastest in the memory hierarchy? RAM, cache, SSD, hard disk. So ये सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट क्या है? कैश मेमोरी. अगर मान लीजिए क्वेश्चन में कैश मेमोरी ना दिया हो और रजिस्टर दिया हो, अगर तो दोनों दिए हो रजिस्टर एंड कैश, सो कैश इज द करेक्ट आंसर. अगर कैश ना दिया हो और रजिस्टर दिया हो, देन रजिस्टर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So here cache is the closest to the CPU and fastest among all. Next question is RAID. RAID is used in RAM, SSD, storage arrays, ROM. So here the correct answer is storage array. RAID is the method for configuring multiple disks for redundancy or speed. Next question is, which of the following uses half duplex communication? Walkie-talkie, telephone, internet, Bluetooth. Here half duplex communication की जो example है वो है walkie-talkie. हाफ डुप्लेक्स अलाउ कम्युनिकेशन इन वन डायरेक्शन एट अ टाइम. एक टाइम पर एक ही कम्युनिकेट कर सकता है एक साइड से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अ 32-bit प्रोसेसर कैन एड्रेस हाउ मेनी बाइट्स ऑफ मेमोरी? 2 raised to power 64, 2 raised to power 32, 4 GB, both B and C. So here the correct answer is both B and C. 2 raised to power 32 is basically equals to 429496796 bytes. That is equals to 4 GB. So here D is the correct answer. Next question is, which scheduling algorithm gives each process a fixed time slice? FCFS, SJF, round robin, priority. So here the correct answer is round robin. Allocates equal CPU time to all the process cyclically. Next question is, what is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator, Universal Routing Link, Unique Reference Link, User Referencing Locator. So here the correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. URL refers to the web address of a resource on the internet. Next question is, IPv6 uses how many bits? 32, 64, 128, 256. So IP, that is Internet Protocol v6 addresses are 128 bits long. Next question is, what does DNS do? Convert IP to MAC, maps domain name to IP, encrypt website data, manages cloud files. So here DNS do map domain name to IP. DNS resolves human readable domain names to IP addresses. Next question is, in a computer, what unit measures clock speed? Gigahertz, megabyte, kilobyte, FPS. Here the correct answer is gigahertz. Processor speed is measured in gigahertz. Next question is, which one is not an operating system? Ubuntu, Unix, MS-DOS, Oracle. So here Oracle is a database, not an operating system. D is the correct answer. Next question is which keyboard shortcut opens Task Manager in Windows? Control T, Control plus Alt plus Delete, Control plus Shift plus Escape, Alt plus F4. So here the correct answer is Control plus Shift plus Escape. It opened Task Manager directly without intermediate steps. Next question is which programming language is closest to the machine language? Python, C++, Assembly, Java. So here the correct answer is Assembly. Assembly is a low-level language close to machine instructions. Next question is which component temporarily holds data during processing in a CPU? ROM, register, SSD, BIOS, basic input-output system. So here register are small, high-speed storage units within the CPU used during execution. So B is the correct answer. What does the term booting refers to? Restarting software, formatting storage, starting the operating system, loading drivers. So here it will help the operating system to starting the operating system. Booting initializes hardware and loads the operating system when the computer is turned on. Next question is which of the following is an optical input device? Joystick, OMR, microphone, webcam. So here OMR reads marked data from paper. Which of the following is not a type of system software? Compiler, operating system, antivirus, MS Word. So here the correct answer is MS Word is application software, not system software. Next question is the technique of hiding internal object details is called polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, overloading. So here the correct answer is encapsulation. Encapsulation hides internal object code and protects data. Next question is what is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Smallest unit of data in a computer is bit, byte, nibble, or word. Correct answer is bit. A bit binary is the smallest unit of data. Next question is which extension card improves image rendering and gaming? Sound card, modem, NIC, that is network interface card, GPU. So here the correct answer is a graphical processing unit handle image rendering and video task. Which scheduling algorithm is ideal for time sharing system? FCFS, priority, round robin, SJF. So the correct answer is round robin. Ensure equal time slots in cyclic order for each process. Next question is which of the following is a network topology? MAC, TCP, star, DNS. So star is a physical network layout where all nodes connect to a central hub. Next question is which of these provide permanent storage? RAM, ROM, register, cache. So here the correct answer is ROM is a non-volatile and store data permanently. Next question is the device that connect different networks together is called switch, hub, router, repeater. So here the correct answer is C, router. A router connects multiple networks and routes data packets. Next question is which file extension is used for PowerPoint file? .docx, .xlsx, .pptx, .mdb. So here the correct answer is .pptx is the standard extension for Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. In Excel, what function returns the average of a range? Equals to sum, equals to median, equals to average, equals to mean. So returns an average of a range is average. Average returns the mean value of selected number. In MS Word, which key combination makes text bold? Control plus U, Control plus I, Control plus B, Control plus E. So Control plus U helps in underline. I is italic, B means bold, E means center. Center of the paragraph or center of a line. So here bold, Control B toggles bold formatting. Which shortcut is used to refresh a web page in a browser? F4, F5, Control plus F, Alt plus R. So here F5 reloads or refresh the current browser tab. What is phishing in cybersecurity? Infecting system files, tracking browsing history, Fraudulent attempt to steal information, encrypting hard drive. So here the correct answer is fraudulent attempt to steal information. Phishing is a scam, tricking users to providing personal data via fake websites or emails. Which MS Office tool is best suited for data analysis? MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Paint. So here the correct answer is MS Excel. It supports formula, functions, charts, and pivot tables for analysis. Next question is which part of the computer connects all internal components? CPU, hard disk, RAM, motherboard. The motherboard link all hardware components like CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Next question is what does GUI stands for? General User Interface, Graphical User Interface, Graphical Utility Input, Group User Identification. So here the correct answer is B, Graphical User Interface. GUI allows interaction with software using graphics, icons, windows. So here next question is what is the primary role of an operating system? Antivirus management, data encryption, file recovery, manage hardware and software resources. So here the correct answer is manage hardware and software resources. Operating system acts as an interface between user and hardware, managing system resources efficiently. So this is all about this lecture. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग और अगर आपको इसकी पीडीएफ चाहिए तो हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए उसमें डाल दूंगी which name as Mastering Commerce Academy. Thank you so much for watching.